Every day, businesses lose customers to unanswered messages. Missed calls, ignored chats, leads that slip away forever. What if you could build an AI agent in 60 seconds? Just describe what you need in plain English. Agent Forge uses AI to build your perfect agent instantly. Deploy with one line of code. Your agent goes live immediately. 8 agent types: support, sales, voice, email, and more. Give your agent a voice. 9 premium voices to choose from.
Design custom conversation flows with our Visual Builder.
Track every conversation. Monitor performance in real time. Scale from one agent to hundreds. One platform handles it all. Start building today at agent-forge.ap.